How to change the default font in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To change your font style, open up your Microsoft Word document, and then on the top you'll see the ribbon. Here you'll see the font option on the right hand side, and there you'll see a downward arrow that is the font style launcher. Tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you'll see a dialog box pop up, and there you'll see the font option. So here choose the font that you want as the default font. Tap on it, and then you can even choose the font style. If you want italic to be the default font style, then tap on italic, and then you can even choose the default size that you want, the default font color, and then you can even choose the effects like strike through, small caps, all caps and all. And then you can see the preview of how it will look, and there you'll see set as default option. You just have to tap on it, and there you go, you have changed your font style on your Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.